Hao. Hello everyone. I'm Mark Gumiran, your lecturer for the foreign language subject, the Mandarin language. Okay, previously we have talked about the pinyin pronunciation rules as well as the overview of the Chinese tone mark and the pinyin sound. And today we'll be talking about the Chinese numbers and counting. So what is the difference between the Western numbers and the Chinese number? Actually, there's not much difference between the two. However, in English, 11 to 100 and the Chinese numbers differ from the sound changes. And in Chinese counting or in Chinese numbers, the whole numbers follow the format of the number 11 to 99 are a combination from number 1 to 10. And in numbers 11 to 19, we omit the initial E or number 1 because 10 or shi is already the number. Don't be confused about this. I will explain to you briefly and I'll explain to you systematically how does it work. Okay, let's begin with counting. Okay, number 1. Number 1 in Mandarin counting is E. E. Note that Y is silent, so you only read the letter I here. E. E. R. R. You pronounce it with the A. R. R. Not R. R. R is the wrong pronunciation. We pronounce it as R. R. 3. Sun. 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 As in the letter, the sun. Sun. Like the sunshine. Sun. Sun. 4. Si. Si. Not C. C. C is a wrong pronunciation. We pronounce it as si. Si. Please follow along with the notes that I have provided for you so you will not be confused. Okay, 5 is pronounced as wu. 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 6. You. Okay, let's count from 1 to 6. E. R. Sun. Si. Wu. You. 7. Ji. 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 Not key. We pronounce it as ji. Ji. 8. 8 is 8. 9. 9. Number 10. Sure. So let's count from 1 to 10. E. R. Sun. Si. Wu. You. Ji. 8. 9. 10. 六、八、七、六、五、四、三、二、一. Very good. Okay, so now you know what is 1 to 10. So how do we count 11? Or how do we say 11 in Mandarin? Okay, 10 is sure. Okay. As I've mentioned earlier, in numbers 11 to 19, we omit the initial E. Because 10 is already there. So, how do we say 11 in Mandarin? Shi Yi, which literally means 10 and 1. Shi Yi, Shi Yi, Shi Yi. How do we say 12? Can you make a guess? Correct. 12. So we write 10 plus the word R. 12. 12. 12. 12. That is 12. How about 13? Correct. We just have to follow this. 13. 13. 13. Please remember the rules that I have mentioned earlier. This goes until 19. So 14 will be 14. Not 14. That's the wrong pronunciation. We pronounce it with HR sound. 14. 15. 15. 16. 一起 guess it. 16. 16. Correct. And 17. Can you make a guess? You're right. It's 17. 18. 是吧 19. 19. Which literally means 10, 9. 19. Okay, let's continue our counting. How about 20? How do we say 20? Okay, 20 is written this way. R, 10. What is R again? It's 2. 10. Which literally means 210, 210. This is 20, 210. 儿是 How do we say 21? Okay, we say 儿是. And what's number one again? E. 儿是 E. 儿是 E. If you translate it, literally means 2, 10, 1. So 儿是 E. 21. How about 22? Correct. 儿是 R. 儿是 R. 儿是 R. 22. How about 23? Right. 儿是 sun. 儿是 sun. 儿是 sun. So this is the way you write 20. 21, you follow the formula until 29. When you reach 29, the pattern is still the same. So 29 will be 儿是 Joe. 儿是 Joe. 儿是 Joe. Then how do you say 30? We need to follow the same format. Okay? Three in Mandarin is sun. So sun, 是 sun, 是. This is 30. Sun is 3 and 是 is 10, which literally means 310. 310. That is 30. 三是 三是. How to say 31? San shi yi. San shi yi. The format of counting is the same until the 9. I mean, the format you have to follow is the same when you count until 0. The same goes with the other numbers like 40, 50, 60, 70. The only you only have to change it when you reach the full number. Let's say, for example, 40. We say 十是十是十是. This is 40. 十是. But when you say 十四 十四, this means 14. Please remember the format and please remember the formula on how we count in Mandarin. Okay. How do we say 100 in Mandarin? 100 in Mandarin is bai, 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 bai. 1000 is Qian, 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 Qian. Okay. When you say 100, 100 means 100. 100. E is 1, bai is 100. So 100, 100. Or you can omit E and you can just say bai. That is understandable 100 or 100. How do you say 200 though? R by, R by, R by. How do you say 101? How do you say 101? E by E. Or you can say sorry, by E, by E, by E, or 101. How do you say 102? Pi R or E pi R, E pi R, E pi R. Same goes with 200. So how do you say 201? R by E, R pi E. Okay, you have just to follow the format that I have mentioned earlier until Joe or 9. So 209 is R by Joe. 200 is 1, and this is 209. R by Joe. Okay, I hope you understand the formula. I hope you understand the format on how to count from 1 to 10 and the combination numbers, and as well as 100 by 1000 is 10. So how do you say 1100? 1100. Remember, you can put here E, but you can also omit the word E because it is understandable that you're saying 1100 or 1100, 1100, 1100. How about 2000? How to say 2000? Remember the word 2 in Mandarin is R. So you say R, 10, R, 10, R, 10. Okay? I hope it's very clear for you and you've learned how to count from 1 to 100 in Mandarin, even 1,000. You already know how to count until the 1,000. Okay, let's see these examples. $597. What is 597 in Mandarin? In words, how do we say 597 in Mandarin? What is 5 in Mandarin? 500, 100 is 5. 97 is 是 9 去9 7 is 7. So when we translate it, it literally means 597. 597. Can you read it? 597. 597. 597. Right. How do we say 5,739? 5,739. Okay, we write. What is 5 again in Mandarin? That's 5. 1,000 is 10. 700 is 700. 39. How do you say 39 in Mandarin? 3. 9 is 9. 5,739. 5,739. So let's break it down so you'll have a full understanding about this about the counting. So 5,000 literally means 5,000. 700 is 700. 30 is 30. 9 is 9. 5,739. Okay, you already know how to count. How about 64? 64. What is 6 in Mandarin again? Is 6. 60 is 10. 60. 4 is 4. 4. 4. Very good. How about 29? 21, I mean. A review. R. 是 E. R 是 E. R 是 E. R 是 E. R, which means 2, 10, and 1. For you to memorize the counting and numbers, you have to vocalize it. You have to practice saying it in words. You have to practice at home or watch a video or repeat this video after me. So you will be able to memorize on how to count in Mandarin. So this is counting in Mandarin. I hope that you learned something about the numbers and counting. And if you have any questions, if you have any clarification, feel free to contact me and I will get back to you. I will give you an update on our next one-on-one consultation. So please stand by. I'll see you again. Thank you for listening.